Hello guys, today I want to show you how create the site-to-site tunneling over IPsec. Before to configure, I want to show you how topology it is. We have a two router. Router A, the address is 5.201.189.28, and router C with this address. But we have two subnetting to network inside the router A. I written blue, and the router T is one and subnetting a network in it. There are some principle in it. We have to I write it step by step. Step 1, step 2, 3, 4, and then after that we have to configure whole of the configuration in the router A and router T. Okay, let's go to configure it on a MikroTik. We have to go IPsec. Yes, here you are. IPsec peers. We define the peers. Okay. The name we write to, for example, to router A. We want to connect to router A. This is a router T. Connect to router A. Okay. We have to put the address, what the address the router T want to call it. The IP address of the router A is 5.201.189.28. Okay, we put it. And then the port, we know we don't need to write something or something like that. Okay, apply it. Okay. Identities. Okay, we have to write something. There are some method, authentication method is in it, and we select the pre-shared key. The pre-shared key, I write the 99999, and then sorry, where it is. Okay. It's okay. Okay, and then the policies. I made a mistake. We have to go as proposal. The proposal, we have to activate the algorithm SHA-1 and 3 days. Excuse me, AES 192 and AES 128 CPC, and this one, and we check it. And the policies, the section 4 is policy. The policy have to connect the network from the source to this destination. The to A, peer to A, we take it the tunnel. The source, this is the router T. Let's go back and look the router T. Yes, if we want to make a decision, this network connect to this network, so that we have to define 192.168.0.0/24, and this this is a source address. Okay, and then we put the destination. The destination is that the router B, and the router B networks. we write the 192.168.1.0/24. Okay, and apply, and okay, and we have to add another one, or we can copy. It asks to, do you want to commit all changes before copy it? Yes. We change it, this one. Okay. Okay. Here you are. The source is the router T. Router T. This network want to speak router A 192.168.1, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next step is configuration of the firewall. The firewall, we have to add the NAT, firewall NAT, and add the chain, the action accept, and add this IP address to destination. Let's go back to configure it. Okay, we want to say, okay, I configured last before. We choose the NAT and selected this one. Add the chain. The chain must be source NAT. I configured last before. This is it. Source NAT, and the source address, as I said last before, 192.168.00. It means this network want to speak this network. Then this router T is the source, and the router A is the destination. Just like that. The destination is here and here. An action, we select the accept and apply OK, and for other, just like that, source, the source address, the router T, the source address is this one, and this destination address is router A. Look at that, and 192.168.100.0/24. Here you are, and apply OK. Okay, let's go to router A. I removed desktop. This is a router. You can see the IP static of it. First of all, we go to IPsec. Okay, we have to add the peer 2 router T. The address is 31. Let me check it. I forgot it. Where it is. Where it is. Okay. 38. 100. That's it. Apply OK. Identity router T, pre-shared key. I select in the router T and 49, and here, yeah, apply for, it's okay. Come on, my internet is a little slow. Okay. we have to check the proposal. I configured last before. Be careful, we have to tick SHA-1 authentication algorithm and encryption algorithm 3 days AES and AES 256 CVC and apply OK. Policy we have to okay. Let's go to before to connect it. Ping we ping the one of our network ping we ping it 192.168.1 dot for example 169 space dash t. Okay, look at that, there is no ping it and there is no packet go and back and there is no reply. We check the tunnel. The IP address must have okay. This address is 192 and destination is it means that this is a router A. Excuse me. This is a router A. Want to speak to router T, and the router T is the IP address is okay. We have to apply. Okay, what's okay, exactly same as this one, and we have to add the firewall. We are the router A, and okay, we configured last before. I deleted, and again we created. Okay, my internet is stop again. We're waiting. Oh, okay. Okay, we select the NAT. The source source NAT is source IP address. Okay, of course, is this one, and destination is 0. The action must have accept. Look at that. I configure router A. This is a router A, and accept it. Apply and copy again, but we have to add this one. See, I want to say this network can speak to this network, and we netted and applied allow to speak to each other. Apply. Okay. Bring up. Okay, let's go. Okay, here you are. Last before this IP address is it's impossible to ping it, but right now we can ping on it. Let's see, and I want to ping another one. For example, this one. Here you are. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me. Goodbye.